All right, good morning, friends. Today in math, you have your daily math packet out. All right, and you have already done, or you should have already done, day 2. All right, so you need to be on day 3. Now, starting out, you need to find the square unit in number 1. So when it says this shape is made out of unit squares, what is the area? You are going to count each square, and that will be your answer. All right, I know this is some things that we have not gotten into. This was actually going to be what we learned if we were in school, but I am having you practice it in your daily math. All right, number 2. Marley wants to buy a pen that costs $2 and a magazine that costs $3. She only has $1 in her piggy bank, but her mom gives her $2 for allowance. All right? This is how much Marley wants to spend. This is how much she has. You are going to solve each number model, and then you need to answer how much more money does Marley need. So how much more money does she need? You're going to write your answer right here. Make sure you include that dollar sign. All right. Number 3, Annie does 5 pages of homework in 1 week. Which equation can tell you how much or how many pages she will complete in 6 weeks? So she does 5 pages in 1 week. We need to figure out how many pages in 6 weeks. Will I subtract? Will I divide? Will I add? Or will I multiply? You need to fill in A, B, C, or D. Annie does 5 pages of homework in 1 week. How many pages will she complete in 6 weeks? For number 4, what is the perimeter of this figure? Include the unit in your answer. Perimeter is the total length of the outside of this shape. So, you are going to take 8 centimeters and add up all these sides. All right, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So you will add 8 5 times. All right, don't forget centimeters is your unit, so when you write your answer, you need to include cm. Over here for number 5, it says find the value of the star. The star. Star times 4 equals 8. Now imagine that star is our question mark. We have solved problems like this before. What times 4 equals 8? You will write your answer here. And then star times 5 equals 15. What times 5 equals 15? You're going to write your answer right there. All right. Now for number 6, it says circle the digit in the thousands place. Let's sing our song, okay, if you need to. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000. All right. You are going to circle the digit in the thousands place. Just go ahead and circle that one digit. It'll be one number you're circling. All right. That is daily math page 3. Then you have daily math page 4. Sally has 3 red hair ribbons. She has 3 more blue ribbons than red ribbons. All right, so she has 3 red. Then she has 3 more blue hair ribbons than red. So if she has 3 red, she's going to have 3 plus 3 equals the number of blue ribbons she has. She has 2 more yellow ribbons than blue ribbons. So if she has 3 plus 3 equals the blue ribbons, and then 2 more equals how many yellow ribbons? how many ribbons does Sally have in all? So we know she has 3 red. Then you need to figure out how many blue. Then you need to figure out how many yellow. You will add the 3 red plus however many blue plus however many yellow to get your answer. Don't forget that we will have ribbons down here for our unit. Number 2, which 2 statements can be represented by the expression 4 times 7? Remember, 4 is our groups. 7 is the number of objects in each group. Carla has 4 pencils in her desk, and Mallory has 7 pencils in her desk. There are 4 rows of desks and 7 desks in each row. Kareem checks out 4 movies at the library. His sister checks out 7 movies. Dominic has 4 piles of books. There are 7 books in each pile. You need to circle the 2 correct statements, so you're going to have 2 answers, alright, in this section. Number 3, what is the perimeter of this figure? Include the unit in your answer. Remember, perimeter on our last page, we are adding up all of the sides to find out the length. Our unit is feet in this one, so you need to add 11 plus 9 plus 3, and that will tell you your answer. Now, we need to figure out what is the perimeter of this figure in units. Does it give us a measurement or a unit? No. So, your unit is going to be squares. Alright, square units. Alright, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright? 1 by 1 by 1 by 1, which is 4 and 4. Yep. Alright. This shape is made out of unit squares. What is the area? I'm going to change that, sorry. Alright, this shape is made out of unit squares. What is the area? You're going to count the number of squares, and that will be your total area. And then number 6, Jose went to the playground at 2:20 p.m. He returned 25 minutes later. Which clock shows the time that he returned? Now, I am going to circle the small hand or the hour hand on each one so you know. Alright, hour hand, hour hand, hour hand, and hour hand. You need to choose which one is correct. So you have 2:20, 2:20, and you're going to bounce up 25 minutes. Alright, what is your time? This is your math assignment for today, Monday, November 23rd. Alright, if you have any questions, I will be available by Google Meet. And feel free to pause as you complete the pages. Good luck, guys.